Hello there, I'm just going to show you a quick project that I've been working on probably over the past 18 months or so, on and off. I was getting tired of, when I came to make wireframes and do any kind of website project, having to start from scratch all the time, and generally doing the same things a lot of the time as well. So I thought it would be nice where I could set up an interface where I would just click common block elements that I use in a lot of projects and that are common in most website projects. You'll see that in a minute. And from there, just through a simple click, select and click, create a template within seconds. So I built this simple menu here, and you'll see HTML. If I click that, you're presented immediately with a load of block examples. So you've got some of the most common ones. There we go. So you've got 4 across here, 1 2 3 4, 3 divs there, images plus 3 divs, you know. So it's the kind of common format that most websites would use. It's not definitive, obviously, but I find it's really helpful. So what I'll do is I'll give you a quick demo. So I'll click that. It's not production ready, so it's a little bit kind of clunky sometimes. And so if I click that, and that one, and that, and we'll go down to the bottom and click, there we go, that. We'll just finish off with something simple, maybe a nice wee paragraph at the bottom. I know it's here somewhere. There we go, that. And hide the menu back up, and you can see immediately on the page that everything I've clicked has appeared. So the process basically is every time I click a block, it gets added to the page, and it's in sequential order, so it does matter the order that I pick things. So, but it was quite easy to get used to. So what I'll do then is I'll save template and call that T1. Enter. View it, and there you can see it. Now that in itself is just a basic template that I can use, grab the code from behind the scenes and start to tweak it up. But in addition to that, you can see these image areas. I'm going to put some dummy images in there. So if I do, we'll pick 7. That's basically size 7. Enable the images. Click. And the images that I've just selected goes in there. We'll go 4 people. 4 is just the relevant size. Images. I'm not going to do it for each one, but as you can see, every time I click, the image that's currently selected will appear in the image area. 1 2 3 4 1 2. So you can obviously manage multiple images from there. And then just going to go up and go save template again. You can obviously create a new version of that and call it T2. I'm just going to overwrite the previous one and view the page. And there you go, there's your image there. So I can also change the font if I wanted to. Fonts, Control F5. This is one of the little glitches that it does. Sometimes it doesn't work. There we go. Sometimes I have to do like a hard refresh, Control F5 to make it work. But in essence, it lets me change the font, and in seconds see just the different kind of styles that are available. So I'm not particularly a big fan of that, so we'll try Alice. There you go, you can see that. And what we'll do is we'll click underscore T1. There you go. In essence, that's basically what I create. And then from there are alternative ones whereby I can convert it to get simple projects. I can save it to a project. I've got a choice of header and footers. So I've made my content. Now I need to pick one of these, and it will insert the content that I've made into the header and footer of these, and save it within a folder in its own directory with any relevant images that dummy images that I've put in there as well. It will transfer them across. So it's quite a handy little package. It gives me a really good starting block, if you like, and saves me hours and hours of time. And the time that I saved, I can then put into actually tweaking the template so aesthetically looks nice and works as you would expect. So I hope you like it. I'm not sure if this would be used to anyone. Thanks for tuning in. Speak to you later.